Hello, I just sort of wanted to start off this video by doing a review on the Grylls Gerber survival knife. So, I've had this in my possession for a very long time. I haven't really utilized it that much, but I plan on using it more, and I also want to sort of show you some basics of the knife. Yeah, so to carry on, here's the Bear Grylls survival knife. We've got the holster, which is very busy here. On the back we've got a strap to have it on your belt heading lengthwise, or you can actually have it across your belt with these two loops on either side. And of course, and then on the sheath we've got our fire lighter. And we've also got a sharpening stone just in case. So that's the sheath I've been done with. I want to focus more on the knife itself though, and why it's considered a survival knife. I'm not too sure the thickness. This looks about 5 millimeters thick, and we've got a half striated blade. The point is a drop point here. So what can I start off with describing this knife? Well, let me actually go to the handle part here. We've got two holes here in case you need to mount this onto some sort of stick as a spear. We've got a rubberized compound grip, which is nice which is quite nice as it fits my hand quite nicely. And rubberized, so even in the wet it will still give you a good grip. And of course on the back end here we've got this being a full tan blade. This acts as a hammer, and we've got a landing here with an emergency whistle. So back onto the blade. So as I mentioned before, this is a drop point, and yeah, so now survival knife is meant to be in any situation. A knife is still going to be sharp, which is why we've got the half striations here, because no matter how dull this part will get, you can still got a usable cutter surface here with the striated edge. And in case you're wondering, you might see a silver clear part on the top of the spine, and that is designed specifically for the fire lighter. So the idea is you would hold onto your fire lighter here, and you got a nice 90-degree edge in which to strike your fire lighter. So now if we try to look at let's see if I can get it to focus. I want to focus right on the straight edge blade here. Yeah. So I haven't really used this knife, but I'm already seeing a few kinks here and that in the blade. Yeah, so we see that we've got a few kinks on the blade here and whatever else. So my next step is we need to do some TLC to this blade and get it 100% sharp. So stay tuned, and I'll show you the results once I've sharpened it. Okay, so just wanted to give a quick update on my Grylls Gerber survival knife. Yeah, managed to sharpen the edge right up. Let's see if I can focus right in there. Focus is not working. Let's try something else. Oh, that's it. Let's see if I can move it in closer. Oh, that's a nice shot. Yeah, so in previous I pointed out that I had kinks here and here and here. Now you can see that I've managed to smooth that out all nicely. And if I can get this nicely in the light, see that we got a nice sharp edge on both sides. So now I can really start putting this knife through its paces and share a long-term review with you guys. Ah, yes, that's much better. Yeah, so I'll share a long-term review with everyone on how this knife holds out, so stay tuned for that.